Good morning, ma'am. Any good editorials to read today?
Yes, there's a very important editorial in the Hindu's opinion section today, which is about Indigo's airline. We already know that there's a lot going on, so come, let's have a look. Now, the editorialists put Indigo have hired more pilots to prevent the crisis. Even adding 900 more pilots would have cost Indigo just a fraction of the airline's annual profit. Now, let us understand the background of this whole editorial first. Why Indigo is facing a crisis? Because Indigo recently had to cancel thousands of flights. We all have heard about it because of several pilot shortages. Now, the immediate trigger was the implementation of new pilot rest and duty norms, which is FDTL Phase 2. Now this is here it is mentioned that FDTL phase 2 from June 1 2025. Now this was going to effect, it happened in June 1 and it came on full effect in November 1 2025, which reduced weekly flying hours for pilots and increased mandatory rest times. This sharply reduced the available flying hours and exposed Indigo's long-standing underhiring of pilots. Now the root cause of the problem is that despite massive market share gains over the years, Indigo did not expand its pilot pool proportionately. Indigo's market share in RPKM rose from under 40% in 2025-26 to over 60% in 2022-2023. Okay, now let us understand that the stricter mandates specifically raised the weekly rest period of pilots from 36 to 48 hours and capping night landings effectively shrank available pool of pilots hours. Now the company informed officials that misjudged and planning gaps led to the fiasco. Now 2300 to approximately 1800 to 1900 flights were there was in current crisis. Now this creates a distinct lose-lose scenario. The airline limits its outputs and passengers face reduced connectivity. The impact is magnified by Indigo's sheer dominance. Its market share measured in revenue passenger kilometers has climbed from under 40% in 2025 to 2026 to over 60% in 2024-2025. Now, its near competitor Air India trails significantly at roughly 14%, with rivals grappling with their own aircraft shortages and scale limitations. So, as you can see that this mismatch shows Indigo was stretching existing pilots, leading to fatigue and vulnerability. Experts argue that Indigo adopted a penny-wise, pound-foolish strategy by saving costs on pilot hiring, increasing output, using limited staff, not planning for regulatory changes at all. Now, let us understand the UPSC relevance of this topic, why it is relevant for UPSC. So, GS paper 3, it becomes highly relevant for economy, infrastructure, aviation sector, policy and regulation changes. And for SC paper also, it becomes a very nice example to put on paper. If you want a deeper analysis of these editorials, go watch our DNA video. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.